In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this XIAOMI. You need to begin by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your XIAOMI's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!